Hello everyone. So in this session we're going to talk about how to fetch the dimension attributes without selecting any measure. So we'll show you how to write the MDX query to achieve this scenario. So I have a left side the AdventureWorks sample data installed in my local system. Now let me write the MDX query. So select star from my cube. So after that, fetch. I'm going to fetch my list of products. So I want to display all these products on rows, and then I don't want to select any measures. So in that case, I can just mention flower brackets on columns. Here you go. So we get the list of the products that are available in the AdventureWorks Cube database without selecting any measure. Thank you.